Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video you will learn how to use the function substitute. So substitute, you can start to replace values in a value. For example, in a cell you have multiple values like this word here, hello sir, how may we help you? But of course you can see this is a static sentence and there might be a problem. Since not everyone is a sir, maybe you have some ladies who are responding and say, well, I'm not a sir. So you want to remove maybe a sentence or a word from a sentence, and that you can do with substitute. So how to do that? Well, very simple. You type in, let's start here, and let's say type in equals substitute and open parentheses. Then you have to select the text. You say we have this is the text, comma. Well, let's open up our formula builder so it's easier to see. So we have here, now it understands our entire text here is this sentence. So what is the old text that you want to remove? You want to remove sir. Yes, and remember, if you do this, make sure it's in double quotations because it needs to see it. Yes, if you do that, basically you also need to remove the space between here. However, I'll just show you this so you will understand exactly how it works. So since here, we only want to remove this, but we want to do nothing more yet. So instance will be just blank. So, or not blank, but we want to remove it completely. So we just do double quotation with nothing in there. It means that there's nothing, it will be just removed from there. So once you did that, click done and OK. So what happened now, as you can see here now, hello, how may we help you? So that means that here, now we have double space, but it starts to replace it. So what we can do here is we can add up here space. So we have hello sir with space, enter, and now it looks perfect. Of course, there are more tricks you can do. With this, for example, you want to put in here a default. If customer is lady, you put in ma'am, or if it's a sir, then you put in sir. Very simple. So you can use here, like the new text, you can use even if statements for this. You can go very deep with if statements where you can make a condition if this equals man or a woman, then you change the way you address the person, or just you want to echo out or show the name from the person. So you just say, please display name of person. Of course, that's based on your functions you have here. So you can go really deep with substitute, and it's really fun. Of course, you must have the data for that. But that's it. It's simple, it's really straightforward to use. And that's how you use substitute in Excel. And if you like tips and tricks regarding to how to use Excel and improve your skills, check out the link below. In there we have a wonderful Excel course. If you click on that link, you have free access instantly.